In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create toggle switch button on Figma. Start by opening your design file in Figma. Press the R key to draw a rectangle and size it to roughly 60 by 36 pixels. This creates the base of the switch. In the corner radius field, set the value to 100 to round it all the way into a pill shape. Give it a dark gray fill so it reads as an inactive track. The exact sizes aren't critical, but staying near these numbers keeps the proportions balanced and familiar. Next, press O to draw a circle for the knob. Make it around 26 by 26 pixels. Style the knob with a white fill so it stands out against the track, and add a subtle drop shadow to give it a tactile, lifted feel. Place this circle on the left side inside the rectangle, leaving a small, even margin around it so it looks centered vertically and neatly aligned. With both the rectangle and the circle selected, turn them into a component. On Mac, press Option plus Command plus K. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus K. In the top toolbar, click Add Variant to create a second state. Name the first variant off and the second on. Clear naming helps later in the prototype. Switch to the on variant, move the circle to the right side so it mirrors the off position, and change the rectangle fill to a blue or green to indicate the active state. Keep the knob size and style the same across both variants so the animation remains smooth. Now let's prototype the interaction. Go to the Prototype tab. From the off variant, drag the interaction handle to the on variant. Set the trigger to on click, the action to change to, and select on. Choose Smart Animate with ease in and out to create a natural glide as the knob moves and the color updates. Repeat the connection in the opposite direction. From the on variant back to the off variant. Using the same on click, change to, and Smart Animate settings. Smart Animate will use the positional difference between the two variants to handle the motion automatically. To preview, draw a frame, then drag your toggle component into it. Click the present or play button in the top right corner to see the toggle working. Click it to switch off and on with the smooth animation you set up. Thanks for watching.